And this should be the objective. We understand that on your plane of existence, you are striving. You have inspirations that cause you to desire specific manifestations. You also have programming that has you reaching for manifestations that are not born of your truth. Many of you are seeking those things that have been deemed to represent success. But when you approach and begin to express your true nature in source, when your power is restored, these things may or may not be desired. You may find that they are not of your highest intention. You may find that you don't care. You may find that you don't care what type of car you drive. You may find that you don't care how big your house is. You may find that you don't care whether you travel the world or not. You may find that you're not striving for any specific amounts of money that have been deemed successful, because you know that all is provided for. You know that all is taken care of. You know that all resources are present, and that which is available for you, that which is necessary for you, or that which is above and beyond what is required for you is always present, is always materializing.
Aspiring conscious creators, welcome to this presentation of Consciousness Ascending, where our single goal is to support you in accelerating the process of growth and expansion. If you find value in this material, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment on how you are inspired. Also, check the description for free trainings and how you can engage with us further.
Restoring the power. Conscious creators, most of you understand the reference of restoring the power. When you have had a power outage and everything is without life, everything is difficult, things become difficult because the technologies, all of the things that have been developed to support you in making your life more fluid, not necessarily easier, we are reluctant to say that, but to make your life more smooth, more fluid, the normal operation of things that you are accustomed to has been stifled. And therefore you are left with confusion, you are left with difficulty, you are left with challenges that are unfamiliar. But when power is restored, things go back to their highest position, as you can imagine them. The lights come on. The ability to cool your foods in your freezers, your refrigerators, is restored, and the comfort of that is back. Your ability to drive your cars, because the power at the gas stations has been renewed, and therefore you can gather your fuel and the things that you need from stores, because all is renewed, all is returned back to its highest format, its most optimal setting as you know it. And this is the same idea, the same type of thing that happens when your power is restored, when you return to the truth of your being, the truth of your being being the truth of you in source, at its center, at its core, at the highest vibration or frequency setting, at the highest thought process and pattern, the highest understanding and interpretation of life on the plane of existence that you're on. When you're in this position, life is more fluid. Life is more free. You are freer. You are stronger internally, which results in the correlating life experiences. You have to understand that. You have to understand that when you are restored to power, your thoughts are of the highest intentions. Your perspectives are of the highest vibration. Your emotional, your energetic expressions are of the highest frequency. Your dominant ideas are of the strongest nature, the nature of that which believes that it can be done, of knows that it is done, because with every thought an energy structure is created that left untouched, that left without resistance or conflict or stricken in any way, will materialize as a physical form. You operate from a place of knowing, from a place of certainty, and therefore you operate in a free state, in a released state, a relaxed state, a peaceful state. When your power is restored, when you are returned to the truth of your being, the truth of your nature in source. And this should be the objective. We understand that on your plane of existence, you are striving. You have inspirations that cause you to desire specific manifestations. You also have programming that has you reaching for manifestations that are not born of your truth. Many of you are seeking those things that have been deemed to represent success. But when you approach and begin to express your true nature in source, when your power is restored, these things may or may not be desired. You may find that they are not of your highest intention. You may find that you don't care. You may find that you don't care what type of car you drive. You may find that you don't care how big your house is. You may find that you don't care whether you travel the world or not. You may find that you're not striving for any specific amounts of money that have been deemed successful, because you know that all is provided for. You know that all is taken care of. You know that all resources are present, and that which is available for you, that which is necessary for you, or that which is above and beyond what is required for you, is always present, is always materializing. The bird is not flying around wishing for excess and abundance. It doesn't even consider it. And that is the very reason why it's always available. No bird has ever starved when its natural environment has been untouched by, dare we say, humanity. They find a way. No worm has ever starved. No tree, no plant has ever starved when its natural habitat has been left untouched, when its natural habitat has been left to manifest in accordance with the nature of source. Very few animals have ever died of sickness because they are guided internally to eat what they're supposed to eat, to do what they're supposed to do, to be where they're supposed to be. Think on these things that you feel are the catches, the challenges of your human existence, and juxtapose those with the existence of the animals, of the trees, of the plants, and become aware of the ideas of source that are true and the ideas of source that you are in conflict with in your human experience. Again, resources are there. And no animal, no tree, no plant strives for it. Beauty is there. Joy is there. Peace is a constant. When you understand that the order of things is perfect and all is happening perfectly, and there's nothing that you have to fight against, there's nothing that you have to fear, there's nothing that you should need to wish for yourself or for others, because everything is perfectly happening right now in accordance with law. So in your restoring the power, returning to the truth of you in source, you may find that many of the things that you feel are of the idea of success, or you have been conditioned to the idea of success, may not be your definition, may not be required, may not be necessary. You may not be inspired to them. You may not care at all. And that which you feel is necessary for your survival, interestingly enough, you may no longer strive for. Because when you know that it is available, it is available. When you know that it is already present, it becomes present. When these are your dominant ideas materialize as experience. In the truth of you in source, there is absolute knowing. There is absolute certainty. And the energies reflect that. The collaborative components of your life in love materialize around you, reflecting that which you believe. If you were to be able to shift immediately, you might find that your fiercest enemy, your fiercest opponent, may either one, disappear from your life completely, or begin to reflect that which is the highest intention that you are offering, the most loving, the most collaborative, the most partnering, the most successful partnering expression that you can imagine. You may find that out of your most fiercest opposition or enemy. So what we are saying is, when you restore yourself to power, when you return to your truth, you may find that you are no longer seeking that which you have been conditioned to seek and find. And this is true power. And if you desire support in accelerating this process, look to the description. Discover the truth of the Ascension Accelerator and how it can benefit you. We are thankful, grateful for the opportunity to share. We're thankful for the vessel. Thankful for each of you offering fertile ground for these transmissions. We're here for you from our now non-physical perspective, offering that which we know to be true, offering that which we know will transform your life. We honor you. We celebrate you, and we love you. We love you. We love you. Thank you. Are you tired of feeling alone on this process? Feeling frustrated, overwhelmed, stuck, questioning the truth of it all? Yes, you have seen manifestation, and you believe in the power of your intention. But why haven't the things you actually need and want materialized? And at the current rate you're going, when are you going to realize your true nature in source? When are you going to start living an inspired life? If you have felt this way and asked these questions, it's important you learn about the Ascension Accelerator. The Ascension Accelerator is a private community, an incubator for aspiring, powerful, conscious creators, where you find the most powerful processes to directly affecting the transformation of the mind and reconditioning the body to higher vibration. You find community interaction and support, constantly available guidance and facilitation that not only allows you to go about your growth and expansion with confidence, but accelerates the process and sets the stage for quantum leaps in your development. If you go to the description and you check out either the 3 greatest misconceptions or the 3 attention shifts presentation, at the end of these presentations, you have the opportunity to schedule your free ascension session. In your free ascension session, we support you with your greatest intention at the moment, and you will get all the information you need to make a decision on whether this powerful opportunity is right for you. We love you very much, and we look forward to supporting you.